Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am coming at you with another Titanic themed video. You guys really liked it when I tried on Rose's sink dress, which is right here. So for this video, I'm going to try on Rose's dinner dress. This dress is absolutely beautiful. It is one of my favorite dresses from the movie altogether, with this one being my first favorite dress. I don't think the dress will necessarily fit me flawlessly as it used to when I got it commissioned. I got it commissioned years ago, but I've gained some weight since then. You know, I've gotten older. So I don't think it'll zip up, but it'll still fit just enough so you can see what it looks like on my body. So I'm going to show you the dress, I'm going to show you what it looks like on, and give you more backstory on the dress. Before we get started though, I want to give a huge thank you to our sponsor, Surfshark. Surfshark is a virtual private network available as an easy-to-use app and browser extension that basically lets you place your laptop or phone anywhere in the world, allowing you to access the internet as if you were in another country. If you live in the US, you know that they have already taken down Titanic from our library, but Netflix still offers Titanic in other regions and countries, including Canada, Germany, South Korea, and Switzerland. So with Surfshark, you're going to be able to access all of their libraries and watch Titanic. Make sure to download and use my code Vill for 83% off and 3 extra months for free at the link in the description box. Surfshark also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk to try it. Alright, so back to the video. We're going to go ahead and pull the dress out, talk about it. This is one of the very first pieces to my Titanic collection. I got it made years ago, so it is definitely an old one, and a very heavy one at that. There are so many crystals. Let me go get it. It's insane. Hold on. Okay, but the fact that it's so heavy that I bent my hanger and I managed to fall off the hanger when I grabbed it, that's how heavy it is. I would say it is possibly... This feels about like, hold on. I would say this is about 15 pounds, which is insane. And that's actually because of the crystal. Let me go ahead and pull her out. Okay, this dress is insane. I totally forgot just how many crystals are on this thing. So like I mentioned in my Titanic collection video, this dress is practically the same. It's the same color, fabric is the same kind of fabric. The only difference between Rose's dress from the film and this dress right here is that Rose's dress had sequins sewed in, so it was a much lighter dress. And this one is Swarovski crystals. The person who made it chose to put crystals on it. I actually asked for sequins, but the crystals look absolutely gorgeous, and you know, I could always go and swap it out if I really want to. But yeah, that's what makes it so heavy. There's a lot of beading on it as well, black beading. This dress has seen a lot of wear and tear because I've worn it on my personal time. I actually recorded a Titanic video that never got released. I was actually recreating the dinner scene staircase at the Titanic Museum. If you've never gone, it's amazing. It's in Orlando. But yeah, it never got released because the person who recorded it wasn't, didn't necessarily, wasn't very truthful with their portfolio, their film portfolio. And the video was not as good quality as I hoped. It was actually so dark that there was no editing that I could do to save it, which was a bummer because, you know, a lot went into that project that fell through. Maybe hopefully one day I get to remake it now with the crew and equipment that I have currently. Now what I really love about this dress is how perfectly matched the under fabric is. And that's a really nerdy thing for me to say, but honestly, me and the designer spent an obnoxious amount of time looking for the exact color fabric. For the longest time I thought it was red, but I also thought it was like a pink, and I'm like, no, it's neither of those. What is it? And after lots of research, I found out that it's like a salmon color, and that's what makes it look red with the black over it. So yeah, fun fact, I guess. Alright, let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so here's the dress. The sleeve looks hilarious right now. it actually won't zip up here. I had a feeling, but I mean, good to know that the rest of it still fits. So what it does is the zipper goes and actually closes the sleeve. So that's why the sleeve looks like it's flaring out right now. The zipper goes all the way underneath the sleeve, but let's just tuck it in really quickly and pretend that it is zipped up. Here is what it looks like on. Yeah, oh, I love this so much. I feel so royal and just so expensive. So it's got the tiers that Rose dress has in the exact same direction. It's got the slit on the leg, which isn't really a slit. It's actually like a modest slit. So there's fabric there, so there's no leg action. You know, you can't have that in the 1900s. But and it also has the train. Let me grab it real quick. Can we like really get a good gander of how amazing this dress is? Here is the back. Alright, that was fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. It's always so much fun to dress up. If you guys want more Titanic related videos like this, whether you want me to try on other dresses, I do want to get Rose's flying dress, jump dress, and tea dress commissioned. Essentially, I want the entire collection. So if you guys are interested on me trying those on, I will get them commissioned sometime this year. So when I do, I will definitely upload a video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that and more Titanic content like this, or just subscribe because I also make vintage and princess content on this channel. So make sure you like this video so that way I know and to make more Titanic content, and comment down below which dress is your favorite from Titanic. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was so much fun. I'm so glad that you guys are here to see me try on this dress once more, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.